example of HTML heading tag. So we're starting from the basics. So I have the mindset of teaching every tag in HTML so you get acquainted with. So in the heading tag, which is the H tag, it actually gives us different sizes of context or the content we want to display on the browser. So we have about 6 of this. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this H1 is the biggest and H6 is the smallest. Let's look at how it looks like. And what you have to know is HTML can use any case, either upper or lower. That is, these tags you can either do it small letter or big letter, and it's gonna work the same. So that is what you have to bear in mind. So let's say heading 1, and heading 1 in the browser will give us this, but let's say we duplicate this and see the other headings. For this one, I'm gonna use the smaller case for you to see what I meant by you can use any of the case. So I save this and let me see. Good. So we have heading 1 and then heading 2. Don't forget, I did not change the numbers here, so it look the same. But if I change the number and I go back and refresh, you see the heading 1 is always bigger than any of the other headers. So next, we can just duplicate this and then change the numbers ahead of it, and then that is what is going to differentiate between the sizes when you are using the header. So you should bear in mind that number really counts here. So the smaller the number, the bigger the text. So let's do 5 here so that we see all the differences in the H tag. So I have the 6 here. Good. So this is all we have for the H tag. So see, so anytime we want to choose a header based on our preference, we need to choose the number. Here we needed to change it to 3 so that you can know the differences between them. And here is 6. Good. So we have this here, 6 the smallest, H1 the biggest. Okay, now let's say we are done with this. Very simple and straightforward. Now we want to create a paragraph. To create paragraph, let's say an paragraph. So to create a paragraph, I already showed that tag already. We call it the P tag. So P tag always help you to create a paragraph. So we can type anything here like QWERTY keyboard. Then we can just change or add more paragraph by just repeating this. So if I save this, this is actually going to show paragraph in here, and anytime we type more, all of this is going to be on the same line. But immediately I duplicate this, duplicate that, it's going to be on a different paragraph. So let's see, you see how it works. Yeah, so now we know heading and paragraph. Let's jump into the next one.